Polyphemus and the Cyclops were Sicilian, but they had only one eye, and what they saw in breadth and depth and meaning was different from what other two-eyed Sicilians could see. Since then, every Ulysses who comes to Sicily knows that this is a land to be declined in the plural, where geography constantly changes, where, in the ups and downs from mountains to sea, the eye never rests.
I greci sono venuti qua chiamandola la Magna Grecia perché era meglio della Grecia.
Franco Fontana knows the allure of being within a kaleidoscope. From this outpost, he can more easily grasp that moment when things are and change, when they seem to define themselves in such a way as to reveal something other, and that other is always man, the Sicilian, inextricably bound up with his land.
Io fotografo colori perché è la gioia, no? Come diceva Paul Klee, il colore è dove il pensiero e il cuore incontrano il tuo universo.
It is in this spirit that Snam has asked Franco Fontana, the great photographic artist, to present us with his homage to the Sicilian countryside. Sicily therefore represents for the whole of Italy the great frontier of energy supply, and for Snam it is a land of history and culture, a precious landscape to which care and respect for the environment are due. The history of the methane importation from North Africa begins in Sicily at Mazara del Vallo. It was 1983 when construction of the Transmed, a pipeline linking the Po Valley to the desert of Algeria, descending 600 meters below sea level in the Strait of Sicily, was completed. The gas imported from Libya arrives at Gela through Greenstream, the longest undersea gas pipeline ever constructed by any in the Mediterranean, with stretches where the depth of the water reaches over 1,100 meters. The pipelines originating in Mazara del Vallo and Gela link up near Enna, reaching the compression plant in Messina from which the gas is sent up to the Po Valley. It's a vital system that runs discreetly below the ground, protecting the environment.
L'astratto in fotografia non esiste, esiste in pittura perché c'è una tela bianca, qualsiasi cosa tu ci metta sopra è astratta. Il mio paesaggio è una cancellazione in favore di un'elezione, cancello per eleggere.
Fontana discovers that Sicily portrays itself as a theatre and finds, in the various forms that it assumes, the multiple expressions of the Sicilian's theatricality. It is on precisely this theatre, one that is, which produces such a metamorphosis within itself, that Fontana confers the landscape form, a panorama devised in the broad extensions of its possibilities.
Il mare, capisci, non ha confini. E la mia fotografia è così, se te la vedi è fatta di orizzonti.
We are grateful to Franco Fontana for confirming that the history of entrepreneurial challenge too passes through the culture of men, their faces, places, and landscapes.